Today we will start with strings. What are strings? Strings are simply your name, address. For example, print, enter your name. Um, Name is equal to input. I am not using it function because I want string value. Print hello. This plus is concatenation operator name. I will save it and run it. Enter your name. You will enter your name here and you get the output hello and your name. Now, how will we create a string? Suppose I say str1 is equal to hello. This is my string. I want to print this string. I can say print str1. Save it and run it. You can see it has been printed. So this is your string. How can you create an empty string? Simply you will say str, save it and run it. You can see empty string. String value can be written within single inverted comma, double inverted comma or triple inverted comma. Suppose I want to print in multiple lines. First line, second line. You can write content of your choice. You see, it has been printed in single line. So for this, I have to use /n. /n. Save it and run it. You can see the difference. First line, second line. /n, that means next line. First line, second line. /t is used for tab. Suppose I use /t. Save, run it. You can see there is tab. There is a tab, some difference in the words. So /t stands for tab and /n stands for next line. Now traversing a string. Suppose I say welcome. So its index value of W will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are your positive index values starting from 0. If you will start from N, then it will be E will be having -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Suppose I give here index value in square brackets 0. You will save and you will run it. Suppose I give it here 5. Suppose I give it here -1. Suppose -3. So this is your index value. Positive index value as well as negative index value. Now there is one operator known as concatenation operator, that is +C. Suppose I say str2 is equal to welcome to, str3 is equal to computer science. This is plus, known as concatenation operator. You can see welcome to computer science. If you want to give space, you can give here space. Also, and you can write welcome to computer science. This is your concatenation or joining operator. Now there is one operator known as replicating strings. Replicating strings. This is your string variable name, that is user defined. You can give any name. I say str into 3. That means it will replicate 3 times. You can say computer science, and computer science 3 times. Suppose I say 2, it will replicate twice. Computer science and computer science. So this is your replicating strings. Now there is a membership operator also in operator. Suppose I say I want to check whether C in str3. C is present in str3 or not. Save it and run it. It is giving true because C is present. If I say not in, that means it will check not in. Now it will give false because it is present. If I say D is not present in this. D is not present in this computer science. So it will return true. Suppose I say D in. D is not present in, so that wise it will return false. Now next is string slicing. In string slicing, you should check the index value. 0, 1, 2. If it is minus, minus 1, minus 2 from last. Suppose I do slicing in this, like I will do square bracket. Now I will start from index value 0 colon to 5. Square bracket close. I will save and I will run it. You can see index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I start from 5, suppose I start from 5 and I take till 8. These are index values. TER. T is index value 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5 it is T. 8. 5, 6, 7. In this slicing also, if I say 8, it will take till 7. It will take till 7. 1 less. Suppose I say 9. So it will take to the index value 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 is space. Suppose I say 10. So you can see till 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is C, but 10 will not be included. So suppose I don't give neither starting neither last. It will start from the beginning and it will move to the last. Suppose I am not giving starting index value, but I am giving the last, that means 5. It will take up to index value 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I am saying 6. or I can say 7, and I'm not giving last value. From 7 index value, it will take till last. Now, if I'm not giving, it will take from the starting and to the last value. And by default, it is taking all the values. It is not skipping. Suppose I want to give step value. I am giving it 1. That means it will skip one value. By default, it is 1. So I have to give 2. It has skipped 1 values. If I give 3, it will skip 2 values. So it's like this. This is your string slice. This can be done with negative index values also. Now, one of the important point is that string is immutable. String is immutable. So what does it mean? String is immutable. Immutable means once you have defined, you can't change it. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. So how can we check it? str3 at index value 0, I want to give I. Print I will save it and run it. Error. There is an error. Okay. Suppose you can see error. Does not support item assignment. So this is an error because this change is not applicable on strings because strings are immutable. Once you have assigned the value, you can't change it. Now there are some built-in functions in string. So first one is length. Print alien length of str3. I will save and run it. You can see 60. Now another function is capitalize. We should use it like this. str3 dot capitalize. You can see first letter has been capital now. C of computer science is capital. If it was already capital, then it will come as it is. Suppose it was already in capital, then it will do nothing. It will print it as it is. Now next is your split function. Suppose you want to split. split, split. By default, it will take space as split. By default, it will take space as split. By default, it is taking space. But if you want to change this, you can use semicolon, semicolon. For split, you will mention semicolon. It will split based on semicolon. So this is user defined. You can use any split function. A split symbol for split the string. Now is your replace function. So now if I want to replace, I want to replace is with was. You can see is replaced by was. So this is your replace function. So this is all about strings. So thank you class.